Gonna throw a little Sunday service. This car's not gonna be in the video today. Or driving at least.
Yes, we can.
That Johnny is. We're waiting for Cuzzo, man. I don't know why the fuck I'm on the camera. Cuzzo's not here. What are you drinking?
This is just making me tweak out right now.
Fucking guy, bro. I don't know what's wrong. He's wild. On a Sunday and he has work tomorrow. What time is it?
You should have drank it tomorrow.
Cuz it's
Nah, it's because I've been
it's 5:20.
all day.
Someone call Cuzzo, please.
You should be on the way.
No, he always says that.
Then he says he's showered. Let's test it. Let's
Let's
test
see.
it.
Isaiah Marley. Keep the picture though. Let me see the picture. Stop with it. Let me focus on the picture.
I told you, always out the shower, bro.
That's his fucking number one excuse, you fucking liar. Alright, man, get your ass over here. We need you here. And what do you do? He got caught in 4K, literally.
Look. My bestie, do you think we could drive on?
You're wild.
Bro, those are toxic, bro.
He's wild. Can you believe the cameraman's still not here? We've been vlogging since fucking earlier in the day and he's still not here.
Here, way before you guys were.
What? We were here before you and we left. Where were
And
you?
you guys dipped off.
You want a BR?
Yeah, I got a little
31
little
flavors?
scoop.
Why did you tell us you were going?
You're chopped.
Wait, real quick. I didn't know when you're coming back.
You've been gone for like 30.
Nah.
Oh, you for surely want
I
to
went to Ross, too.
Cocoa milk? What the
fuck? For what?
Oh, he didn't say he was going to Ross. I forgot.
For what?
I did.
Yeah,
I
he
just
actually did say.
You want
I
to
just
go
got a
look at
little
Henry
beanie.
and shit?
Record this 2 Jay-Z coleslaw. You ready for this shit?
Get a fry.
Cameraman taking a phone call. We're finna throw a little Sunday service, but this shit got leaked. There's hella fucking people. What do you think about this range? Fucking insane, bro. How did it get to this? So, Bamra, man. Please, tell me, talk to me.
Are we ready, bro?
I think so, man.
We go stupid, dumb, mania out here.
Little something. Get us crashing. No, you guys crashed?
We did.
Bro, look. Come here.
What? Wait, what?
Look at Guy's car.
Why don't you just take your car to strangers for now?
No way! No!
Yeah.
When did that happen?
that's how we like to do it here at Bucket Hill. 3 niggas on the line, but it's alright. And the radio.
No
I
exit.
clicked second, and I was like, oh fuck, he's right there. And I smacked him right there.
What the fuck? I didn't even see that. That's crazy.
Oh man, not the. Oh, guy.
It's going dark mode now.
Guy.
You fucking hammer.
Guy.
It's alright, I got auto and body repair. I got you.
He's talking to a fucking body guy right here.
What did we
You
start?
got a wet video though.
Bro, you owe this guy a fucking wide body kit.
Something, bro.
I mean anything. For the game, man.
Who the fuck are you? Who are you to say what I owe and who owes what?
Oh shit.
What moral high ground do you have, you fuck?
He's hung.
Some fucking Bucket Bill infighting. Hold on, guys. Let's take a moment here. Check this out. Listen. We're gonna have downs, but man, let me spit some game real quick. We're gonna have some downs, but the downs look. The downs go like this.
I think I could just take it to one time full missile
Stocks
style.
haven't heard that.
It still drives. Like, well, like, realistically, what does it need to look nice? I mean, yeah, look. At least it still drives.
Let's
Like,
go
at least,
look at it. Watch.
At least it didn't fuck your fucking wheel up. Second? No, after you can get a picture. Look at this shit, bro. This is just like full, like, missile vibe. Yeah, it is.
Fuck, man.
You literally just have a choice. Leave like that and go missile or wide body.
What is missile?
Missile just like straight Japan style shit. Like
Like in Japan, these shits are regular though. So they
Yeah.
just beat them up and they look like this. And
look, they look like
so
this. Like this is a perfect example. Look at this guy's car.
Yeah. What?
The price is. Guess it just means you drive your car.
Look at. He popped most of his shit out though. I think I'll pop a good amount of it
Put
out.
a fucking flat basketball in there and fill it up with air.
Come on, it's because you're on the phone. Unless somebody put it in the way.
Did you record his back?
I didn't even see that.
I didn't know either.
They're all like,
I didn't know
Let's
either.
hold the camera right now. Let's take a moment of fucking silence, man. Come on. Walk in, dude. No, this is serious talk, man. You think it's that, dude? This is content right here, man. You're saying this guy fucking risked his car right now?
Half of us
for
didn't even
nothing?
know
You
what
didn't even get the
happened.
video?
Half of us didn't even know what happened.
We low-key have to take a picture for the thumbnail, bro. Otherwise it's bad.
We need a thumbnail, man. Damn, let me see thumbnail.
White boy.
Do a white nigga thumbnail.
You gotta.
Damn, crash E36 gone wrong. Or
Bro, this is insane, though.
Yo.
Oh, who's that?
little Bucket Bill Sunday service. What was supposed to be 5 cars turned out to like a fucking 20 million cars. Unfortunate bad, but good driving. Cuzzo sitting like a motherfucking mark when he should be behind the cam. But we ain't even finna talk
You
about
wanted
it.
to take the camera, bro.
Steady lacking.
Take it back then, homie.
Steady
Take it back,
lacking.
homie. Take it back.
Man, you guys are funny.
Claim it.
ourselves later, bro. We gotta coordinate our camera in. He didn't even get the bat.
Bro, the BAP. Bro, the BAP happened like way farther down into the section
Nah, man.
of where I was.
Nah, dude.
How much does it get that?
That's your fucking job.
Bro, was you want me to teleport? I doubt he didn't teleport.
Damn, Bucket Bill turns on themselves. Crash out.
Alright,
At least we went dumb, stupid dumb thing.
For real.
And at least nobody else
Logging off.
fucking do what we did, homie. You know why? Because we're special.